How to return Amazon items. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can return Amazon items, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to return Amazon items, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Amazon shopping application here, and once you launch the Amazon shopping app, you're going to see this type of interface. Now the returning an item usually depends upon how long have you used that item for, and whether the seller that you're actually buying from offered a refund policy or not. And if it is already past the refund policy, then in that case you might not be able to return it. But regardless, you might try your luck by opening up the Amazon application, then just coming to this profile like icon from the bottom center of the screen, then going to this option here at the top that says your orders, and then just tap on it. Once you go to your orders, over here you'll find any sort of orders that you have, and if your order has already been shipped to you, you're not satisfied with the product, you can select that order. There you'll find the return or the refund option. Then you can follow the on-screen instructions to return your Amazon items, and that's all it takes to return Amazon items. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.